Okay guys, I don't know if you can see me or not, but what we're going to do here is I've got a 117 caboose that the cupola come unsoldered on the inside. So what I've done is I've clamped it down and I use liquid solder paste. And if we're lucky, we'll get this to solder on the inside here and not scorch the paint. So we'll see what happens. We can only hope for the best. We'll see what happens. It looks like it bound because there was already solder there. Yes. All right, I don't know if you can see it or not, but they had put a solder seam on the top and the bottom here, and that joint had broke. So there was already solder on this, and so I used a little bit of liquid solder that's got rosin in it, and there's no scorching. It got it hot enough to. Yep, that's good and hard. I'm pulling on it. There's an original there. So I wanted to do this for 40 years. It's just a common caboose, but I just wanted it right. So now we've got it. We'll clean this off with a little alcohol, and it'll make it look real good. So there you are, guys. Just a lucky soldering tip.